Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about the basic function of management, that is planning. We are going to discuss the significance and some limitations of the planning function of management. So the first significant point of planning is that it gives an attention on objectives. That is, you can prioritize, you can plan out what are the main objectives, what are the objectives that can be followed up. You can arrange the priorities, you can plan better. So it gives attention on objectives, it minimize uncertainties. If you have a plan, you can cut down the risk that is there. So for handling uncertainties and risk, planning is important. Through planning, you can better utilize all the resources that you have: man, money, material, machine, and it is economy in operation. You can have economy in all the operations of the business if you plan things out, and it gives better coordination, it encourages innovation and creativity, it facilitates delegation and control over the employees, and management by exception is possible if you have a good plan. So that is the importance of planning. Through planning, you can give attention on objective. You can lay down your objectives in a better manner. You can minimize all the risk factors, and you can utilize your resources in a better way, and it gives you economy in the operations of the business. You can you can facilitate coordination in your employees, delegation and control over them, and it encourages innovations and creativity among them. And management by exception is possible if you have a plan, if you are planning. There are some limitations to the planning function, that are lack of reliable data. If you do not have a data that is reliable, on which you can rely on, then you cannot plan. If it is a time consuming process, you have to invest some time on planning. It is expensive, it has some external factors that can reduce the planning, what the plan you have framed, and there can be some sudden emergencies that cannot afford planning, and it has resistance to change. At a certain level, you if you have a plan, you have to go through that plan. You cannot change the functions of the business. So that is about planning, its advantages and limitations. I hope you liked. Thank you, have a great day.